Welcome to Small Lathe. Over the time I've been playing with resin, I've cast quite a few balls. And as you can see, these are really nice, but they do need some finish. They need the edges trimmed. And we do need to get them buffed nicely, but I don't have any ball turning attachment for the Unimat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these two pieces of brass, and I'm going to be using this, my live center, to turn these two pieces of brass into a ball turning slash buffing attachment for the lathe. It's not going to be exactly a ball turning attachment because it's not going to make balls, but it's going to allow me to hold these balls and get them turning smooth and round and so on. So let's get to it. have both parts ready. They are not the finished size. I wanted to turn these 16 millimeters inner diameter, and they're 15.5. Reason? I can expand 15.5 to 16. I cannot subtract it back down to 15.5 if I reach 16. So, all in all, I think it went pretty well. But the proof is in the pudding, right? So let's get a small ball and turn it. I'll just clean up over here off camera. Both items are in place. This one held over this chuck. This is free to spin. As you can see, there's no hindrance. We got two washers, so I'm going to stick one over there, force it to be in place. I'm going to be using the smaller O-rings. They fit nicely. They don't have a horrible tendency to drop. And we're going to drop the ball over there. This is going to be, ouch, sitting on the right side. I just pinched myself on one of these really sharp shards. I'm going to, like this, just to lock the tailstock. A bit advanced. I want some tension here. I don't want it to move. And let's try. Well, I'll get my favorite tool. I'd say that this is perfect. This is held nicely. It can flex a little bit, but I'd say that's really nice. Okay, so let's unlock it for a second and get this nib turned off and out. Obviously there's a lot more work to do here, so let's get to it. Okay, that's not good. Oh! Yikes, that's hot. I forgot something. I forgot the ball bearings, the roller bearings. Oopsie. What a huge mistake. I didn't realize why this is getting so hot, because it was, well, it's oiled, it's well oiled, but I forgot the bearings. Silly me. And I didn't realize why I'm hearing creaking, because everything should be moving and flowing as it should, but okay. And that's me being foolish. Oops. Oh, there was a cavity under that thing. Now, who would have guessed? Well, we're gonna have a cavity, a ball with a cavity. Okay. I think this is good enough. Right, so I'm pretty pleased. I'm very pleased, actually. This is a ball turning attachment, especially if you don't forget the bearings of this setup. It really did get really hot, but all's good because it's been nicely oiled. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.